Picture this, you're in the wild, miles away from civilization. Would you know how to survive? Today, we're diving into the world of bushcraft, a practical skill set that can turn the wilderness from a threat into a refuge. In this video, I'll show you essential survival skills to help you thrive in emergencies and connect with nature on a deeper level. Let's get started. First, what is bushcraft? Simply put, it's the art of using natural resources for survival and comfort. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving by working with the environment instead of against it. Here are 4 key bushcraft skills that can make all the difference. Number 1, shelter. A solid shelter keeps you safe from the elements and gives you a sense of security. Look for natural features like trees or rock formations to form the backbone of your shelter. Use sturdy branches for structure and insulate it with leaves or pine needles to stay warm and dry. Next up, firecraft. Fire isn't just for warmth, it's a tool for cooking, purifying water, and even signaling for help. Learn to master fire-starting methods like using flint and steel, or even a bow drill. Always gather 3 types of materials: tinder, kindling, and fuel wood. Practice this skill often. It's a lifesaver. Number 3, food and water. Knowing what's edible in your environment is critical. Learn to identify safe plants, berries, and fungi. And for water, always assume it's unsafe to drink unless treated. Boil it or use a portable water filter to remove harmful bacteria and parasites. Finally, navigation. Getting lost can quickly escalate into a dangerous situation. Carry a map and compass and know how to use them. Familiarize yourself with natural navigation signs like the sun's position or moss growth on trees. And remember, staying calm and aware of your surroundings is just as important as having tools. These 4 skills, shelter, firecraft, foraging, and navigation, aren't just survival techniques, they're confidence boosters. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be in any wilderness setting. To recap, bushcraft is about using nature's resources wisely. Build a sturdy shelter, master the art of firecraft, gather safe food and water, and always stay oriented. Each of these skills works together to ensure your survival in tough situations. Now it's your turn. Practice these skills in a safe environment, like a local park or your backyard. Test your fire-starting methods, try building a shelter, and study your local plants. Want more tips? Subscribe and let me know what survival topics you'd like to see next. Remember, nature isn't just a challenge, it's an opportunity. See you out there.